Here we go, folks. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, historic Weaverville, California. We're at it again. We're at a really sweet spot out near the coast, Humboldt County. I'm with my new buddy Dave, and we're looking at his beautiful 1968 Chevrolet Corvette. Yeah, 68 was a great year. It was a good generation. They did away with the vacuum, so no problem with the lights popping up. Got those classic GM division wheels. Got some good looking BFGs. Just take a look around. Got a L79, 327, 350 horse, just like that 66. Listen to that, baby. New exhaust, tuned up. I got the numbers off the block. We'll take a peek, see if anything matches. But take a closer look. The interior looks kind of authentic to me. The Corvette guys could chime in, but there's your door. The upholstery. I don't see any big rips or tears. Looks like the seams maybe coming a little loose, but look at that beautiful 4-speed Hurst shifter. You know, that all looks pretty correct to me. 53,834 miles is what it says. We'll do that TMU because we're not sure. He picked this thing up in the Bay Area. Dave's an old school car guy. Had a lot of cars in his life, and they come and go. And it's time to get this one down the road. And he's going to do some traveling. He's going to have some fun. There's all the goodies. Yeah, I mean, that console looks right to me. So it doesn't look like there was much monkeying around on the interior. We got the tag right there. We got the VIN right there. Let's see inside that window. It's got a nice new white top. I took some pictures of the top up. Please check them out. Took some pictures underneath as well, so you can see what's going on back there. Take a peek on the passenger side. There's your door panel. The passenger seat looks as good as the driver's. We lifted that up for the stills. Looked clean under there. I don't think I opened up those containers. I may do that before I get out of here. But she runs good. Sounds great. Brakes are done. It's got a 4-wheel disc brakes. Got that 327 under the hood. Let's check for blemishes. Saw this down here. Separated there. Looks like it's been rubbing against there, so it's making a little mark. Been repainted. It's a decent paint job. That one's separated too, but it looks cleaner. This one looks like it's moving around a little bit. But I took about 100 stills. I see a fitment issue here with the hood. Let's see what else. What else can we find here? The chrome looks pretty good. I see some orange peel. It's a nice color. It pops, but I see some peel. In there looks a little funky. Here on this chrome strip up here, I see some blemishes. But hey, that's how we roll with Platt Motors. You know, we want to be honest, we want to be transparent. Most of our cars leave the area. Not everyone's going to make it out. We welcome inspections. But I want to show you everything that I see on the car. But a lot of good 68 Chevrolet Corvette, 327, 350 horse. Doesn't get much better than this. I took a bunch of stills, including the undercarriage. It crawled under there, and it looks good. It's a driver. It's ready to roll. Have some fun. Top down. Michael Platt, Platt Motors. Historic Weaverville, California. Happy to be in the new showroom. Come see us anytime. You can check out my cars on Hemmings. ClassicCars.com, Auto Trader Classics, Classic.com, and my own website, Platt Motors. Let's pop the hood for you real quick. Everybody's always asking about that, so I started doing that. Can we pop the hood, Dave? All right. I'll let the owner come over here and help me out. There we go. 327. 350 horse. Looks like some thin metal block. Valve covers. Got this back here. That's pretty neat. Something's burning off a little bit. Go take a look on the other side. Looks good. And then it's got the numbers scraped off, so we'll poke around when we get home, see if we can get a VIN match. We're not sure, but you never know. So hey, appreciate you looking at my videos. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Weaverville, California. Feel free to call me anytime, 707-599-9448. plattmotors@gmail.com. plattmotors.com is my website. Thanks for riding along. We'll talk to you soon. See ya.